Hi, I'm Miriam Laberge. I'm the founder of the Masterful Facilitation Institute. We have converted our empowering online facilitation courses to bring them to you through our new online school. Through our programs, you can learn how to run efficient process and great meetings, whether you're working with a team or a larger group. Once you learn and adopt professional facilitator strategies, you'll know exactly what to do, how and when to lead each meeting, whether it's a recurring meeting with a standard group or a larger group session. You'll know how to design and to apply your virtual meeting toolbox to engage everyone. And you'll have strategies and techniques and processes to lead your group through more complex online work, tackling those bigger issues that require more than just discussion, but require people to come together, to diverge and offer different perspectives, and then eventually, to after exploration, to come together and to agree on what solutions or strategies or decisions or plans the group believes will set you up for success. If you're just starting out, then in some ways, learning how to facilitate puts you at an advantage because you have nothing to unlearn. You can start off right away by adopting best practices. And if you already have some facilitation experience, of course, you're not starting from scratch. You're just looking for insights and ideas and methods for how to sharpen your saw so that you can build upon your existing foundation and tweak it or rethink it for the portion of the work that is different, given that it's facilitated online. Our 9-module comprehensive Facilitating Online Collaboration course empowers you so that you know exactly how and what and why and what to do in order to facilitate complex facilitations and interactive group meetings.